Good morning from Oakville. Hey, welcome to my digs. I should say future digs, because I still have to win this, because this is one of 4 grand prizes in the Princess Margaret Home Lottery to conquer cancer. This is the 6.6 Oakville show home. Want to check it out? Let's go. Wow, look at this. And look who it is!
Here I am.
Celebrity home designer Brian Gluckstein, who designed this home.
I did.
So how many have you done for Princess
This is
Margaret?
the 9th.
This is number 9.
I'm a glutton for punishment.
Okay.
So we design it, build it, furnish it, landscape it in 8 months.
Okay.
So it's
Where does it start? Like, does it start just from dirt, from nothing?
It starts from dirt, and then we evaluate the envelope of how we can build the space, and then we create the floor plan, and then we start on the interior, and we have to find all this stuff and design all this stuff.
Okay. We don't have much time, so let's get to as much as you can. What was the inspiration for this spot, Brian?
Well, I wanted sort of a traditional architectural detail, so we did the paneling here, but in a modern color, in this beautiful cerise taupe. And then instead of defining the living room and a library with walls, we did these metal bookcases. So it's a division between the rooms, but I wanted them connected. And because we've been locked away for so long, this house was designed optimistically for entertaining. So this sort of open floor plan about let's get together and let's entertain.
Well, look at this. Okay, so this is kind of the main dining area?
This is the main dining room, and I did something that was less traditional than the typical dining room. I wanted this atrium in the middle of the house. And we took the flooring from here right out onto that terrace. We did the table out of Caesar stone, so it feels like an outdoor stone table, and the cane chairs. And this is a great space to spend time in.
Because somebody who wins this, it comes exactly like this.
Exactly
So
like
it's not like they get the keys, they come in, it's like an empty house. It's like, Mama, what happened to the chairs?
And they're usually in shock because remember, they bought a $100 ticket and they get all of this. And I tell them, you get the books, the dishes, the furniture, the glasses, $1 million in a car.
So did you say a car?
A car.
A car too.
Yeah.
Goodness, okay. But every detail you're involved in, like
every detail. We pick every little piece, every faucet, every counter. We design the kitchen. We pick the furniture, the art, everything.
Is kitchen one of your faves? Because the kitchen is where people spend so much time. No matter what you design, they always hover to this area because maybe it's not as formal. It is more casual.
Exactly, and that's why we designed it so that it extends all the way. So it's quite a huge kitchen, breakfast room, family room. And we did the wood cabinets trimmed in black to match the floor, the black lacquer island so it looks like a piece of furniture in the center. And then we opened it up to the breakfast room and the family room, which has all these seating areas with this modular seating. So again, this is a great house for entertainment.
Can we sit down?
You can sit down.
Let's have a seat. We're going to take a break because again, as I mentioned off the top, this is one of 4 grand prizes for the Princess Margaret Lottery to conquer cancer. There's one in Toronto, there's one in Blue Mountain, there's also one in Niagara-on-the-Lake too, okay? Big day on Friday though, because it's the VIP prize deadline midnight on Friday for a 2022 Airstream Atlas. So you could take the whole family on a nice little camping trip, perhaps. If that's not your thing, how about $300,000 in cash instead? That's what's up for grabs. Make sure you get your tickets, princessmargaretlotto.com. We'll be back. So much more. Like, take a look upstairs at the Oakville show home on Morning Live. Welcome back to the Oakville show home in the Princess Margaret Home Lottery. This little shack designed by this man right here, Brian Gluckstein.
Hello there.
Great to see you, Brian. Okay.
So here we are on the 2nd floor, and we've divided it up. We've got the principal suite on this side, and the kids' bedrooms over there.
So this is, what are we calling this walkway here?
It's like a bridge. Instead of your typical hallway, we've got this bridge that looks down into the dining room, and I think it's just such a fabulous space.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go first?
Let's go here.
Okay.
So in the principal bedroom, we have these French doors that look down into the dining room, and this is the bed area. And the one thing I always like to do, because you've got all this attic space, is to carve into the attic and get this really great ceiling.
Because when you're designing these, so this is number 9 for Princess Margaret Home Lottery. So how many have you used from past ones? Are you using similar ones? Are you always trying to bring new stuff to it?
We're trying to bring something new, but I always like to use the attic space to coffer the space and get that extra height on the 2nd floor. And then we did this oversized upholstered headboard. You can see all the the light woods here, and a fireplace, which I think is so beautiful in the bedroom.
Okay, let's cruise a little bit because we have to show off the bathroom.
Yeah, so
Okay.
here's the dressing room, and
Okay.
what we did was we did this hand-painted wallpaper on all the doors and the mirrored island with the fixture over. Again, coffered the ceiling a little bit, but this I think is the real showstopper.
Oh, wow.
So this is the bathroom we were talking about trends earlier. Black is the thing. So you'll notice the black plumbing fixtures, the black hardware, mirrors, the lights. Black is on right now, and I think it's going to last. And here we did the freestanding tub, another real trend, and then the drapes all the way around. Well, I did that to define this area, really soften the space. But you can see, typically you would see chrome here.
Yeah.
But we did the black, and then frosted the water closet and the shower.
How often working on trends? Always on trends?
Always, because we're working on so many projects. We're designing for Hudson's Bay, new products, so we're really on trend all the time. We have a small laundry room on this level,
Okay.
and I'll show you the laundry room downstairs after.
Is this where the kids are?
This is where the kids are. You've got them
Is there a door here where we could shut them in? Shut Luke in?
That could be added. That could be added.
Okay.
And then we've got a nursery on this side with this fun carpet. We have the mural, and then we designed the fixture like those bubbles, you used to blow with the dishwashing soap. I think it's so fun. So this is a cute little space.
How many bedrooms altogether in this home?
We
Brian?
have 4 on this level and 1 in the lower level. This has a shared bathroom over here. We have this bedroom, which is the soft blues, and it's got some nice built-ins. And this we call the safari bedroom because we have the safari images, and it has its own bathroom.
And then again with some drapes behind the bed that you're using.
We did that. There was a window off center there, and
there?
because we have so many windows, we thought let's drape that and center the bed.
Is it hard to give away this home?
I can't even believe it. When I meet the people and say,
Yeah.
okay, for $100, here's your key, and $1 million, and a Jag, enjoy.
Amazing. Congratulations, it's beautiful.
Thank
We'll
you.
have Brian for a couple more because we want to tour the rest of the house. This is one of 4 grand prize show homes in the Princess Margaret Home Lottery. There's one in Toronto, one in Blue Mountain, and there's also one in Niagara-on-the-Lake. But VIP prize deadline Friday at midnight for a 2022 Airstream Atlas. Grab the kids, throw them in there, go camping. If that's not your thing, how about $300,000 in cash? That's the other option. PrincessMargaretLotto.com. Oh, hello. When did you get here? Morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Oakville show home for the Princess Margaret Home Lottery. Just getting a little workout here down in the home gym. Great to be with celebrity home designer Brian Gluckstein, who designed this whole thing.
I did.
Okay, this is a setup down here.
This
okay?
is great. So we've got this whole cool gym, and one of the things I really love is the spa area.
Okay.
And
What makes this spa different? Oh my goodness.
So we've got this meditation area where you can lie down. We've got this incredible whirlpool where the water pours over your shoulders. It comes from the headrest. We have this big steam room, incredible, where we made the sink out of the same Caesar stone as the shower. We've got the vanity area. And then this is not the only thing.
But where are you getting inspiration for something like this? Like, I've never seen anything like this in a home before.
We look at spas. I visit spas around the world, and
Yeah.
we bring them here. One of the things is, I love this laundry room. We did this glass door that says laundry on it.
Yeah.
And this is one of the trends we're doing right now, where we're raising the washer dryers up. So it's at this level.
Why
you
are we
don't have to
always
bend down.
bending? Why are we always bending over?
Exactly.
Right?
We keep the
Have a table right here.
detergents here, the table here, lots of storage. A fun room. This is a great room to do crafts also.
Okay.
So we did
Because there's the laundry room upstairs, but much smaller, so bigger.
correct.
display out
So
here.
this is your sort of your main laundry room.
Do I still need these on? Huh? Keep moving, buddy. Keep moving. Keep
And
moving. Okay, what do we got over there, Brian?
Okay, so over here, I've got sort of this workroom, TV room. So we've got this area where you have your computers to do work. You can do projects here and work here or play games.
Love
This
this.
big seat, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And then our TV area. So
Okay.
we've got the big sectional, the built-in, the large TV. This is a great place to hang out. Fun colors. We did that denim blue sofa, the wild carpet. Cozy.
But like every little detail from everything on the wall,
We
you're
pick
always
everything,
like.
right down to the candy.
Okay.
So we pick everything for these houses, like every little detail. And then here's the guest bedroom at this end. So it has its own ensuite. Nice space, lots of privacy down here. But look at this room. I mean, I think it's one of the biggest bedrooms in the house.
Yeah.
not your typical lower level.
You proud of it?
Love it.
Yeah. And somebody gets to win this, and Brian gets to hand over the keys. Do you ever come back and see what they did with the place after you...
I can't. I can't see it after anybody's touched anything. So
Okay,
I love
so
it the way
there's
it is.
over 40,000 prizes within the Princess Margaret Home Lottery. This is one of 4 grand prizes. The other ones are in Toronto, Blue Mountain, and Niagara-on-the-Lake. VIP prize deadline, though, Friday at midnight, 2022, Airstream Atlas that you can win. Head to princessmargaretlotto.com to get your tickets. Welcome back to Oakville and the 2021 show home in Oakville. And we've been touring the whole showroom with the celebrity home designer, Brian Gluckstein. Good to see you, Brian. We thought we'd move things outside.
This is
Right?
quite the outside, and we designed the house around this courtyard.
Yeah.
And what I love is we have a fireplace, and that's a see-through fireplace that you go into the family room, and it really creates this wonderful courtyard. We have that courtyard on the inside, which
Yeah.
is the dining room, and this is the outdoor one.
So, okay, let's go back to when this was a pile of dirt.
Yes.
Okay, do you stand back here and like work with the architects to kind of figure out how you want things to
We
look?
do. We look at the trees on the property. We look at the site of the property, if it's a corner, if it's a middle lot, and then we design the house around this. And I really wanted this courtyard, this sheltered courtyard. I love these things. And then we have the view from the dining room, this courtyard, to look at this incredible garden, this water feature, this swimming pool. And I love having the sound of water in a garden.
Yeah.
I think that's so restful. Then we have dining and barbecue and lots of grass for the kids to play.
You've done 9 of these.
I've done 9 of
Right.
these.
Are they like your children? You can't pick a favorite?
They are, but I think this is my favorite. This is my favorite child of the 9.
But what's it mean to be working with Princess Margaret's?
You know, it is such a privilege to work with the Princess Margaret Cancer Center and design this to raise money for research. Everybody that works on the project, it's a labor of love. It was a challenging year because of COVID, so we had to work around the clock because we had the distance when we were building this house. But everybody loves it because we know we're helping to raise money for research for finding a cure for cancer. So this house is filled with love, and whoever wins it is going to feel that.
They win this, $1 million, and a 2022 electric Jaguar.
Yes, not a bad little package for $100.
I'd say so. Well, there's
Quite the investment.
one of 40,000 prizes that are up for grabs in the lottery. This is one of 4 grand prizes, but the VIP prize deadline for a 2022 Airstream Atlas, which is pretty much like a luxury home on wheels, maybe not as big as this, but it's still pretty something. That is Friday at midnight. If that's not your thing, you can also go for the $300,000 in cold, hard cash. Has anybody been in the pool, Brian?
No.
Nobody's been in the
I'm
pool?
afraid to say that. Here we go.
Coming with me?
No, I am not.
Come on, buddy.
No, I am not.
Come on!